Hello everyone. Today's topic is about the restaurant. Now the definition. Restaurant is a commercial establishment committed to a sales of food and beverage. Restaurant may be a liaison part of the hotel operation whereby the sale of restaurant contributes to the sales performance to the hotel as a whole. Restaurant may also be an independent business entitled under the individual ownership and the management. Basically, restaurant provides table, chairs, to sit and eat the food prepared in the attached kitchen. They are equipped with crockery, cutlery, linen, which may vary in quantity according to the standard of the restaurant, which is determined by its decor. For example, it may be independent bar and entertainment facilities, and above all, the qualities of the services. The different types of restaurants are about the coffee shop. Now we will go for the coffee shop. Is that the concept borrow from the United States, distinguished by its quick service, food is prepared and atmosphere is informal, table cover layout is less elaborate, and they have a basic essential only. Second, we will go for the continental restaurant. The atmosphere is a more sophisticated and it caters for people who can eat at leisure. Its importance may be that the stress-free atmosphere and food and establishment service are very casuals. Now we will go for the specialty restaurant. The entire atmosphere and decor are good to a particular type of food or theme. The restaurant which offer Chinese, Indian, Italian, Polynesian cuisines can be termed as a specialty restaurant. The service is based more or less on the site of the country from which the particular cuisine is originated. Now next we will go for the grill room. It is also called a rotisserie. Now in that various meat cuts are roasted here. Normally a grill room has a glass partition between the restaurant and the kitchen so that the guest can choose their meat cut to see how the actual preparation were done by the chef. Then we go for the dining room. Dining room found in a small hotels, motels or inns. Some find it uncommercial to have more one eating place. The dining room is basically meant for the residential of the hotel but may be open for the non-residential also. Then snacks, we will go for the snacks bar, coffee and milk bar. Here the restaurant is informal and the service is quick. The snacks bar may have a counter for self-service or specialties in a snacks about sodas, fountain specialties, ice cream, etc. The decor is relatively inexpensive. Now we will go for the discotheque. Discotheque is a restaurant which is principally made for dancing or recorded music. A live band may also perform, but essential part of discotheque is a bar with the food offered consistently, mainly about service of the snacks. Same thing, nightclub. Nightclub is different with the discotheque because it is a principally opened at night for dinner, dance and about a cabaret. Bar is also provide a decor in a very luxurious manner while the service is elaborated. A live band is important for the setup. Most establishments insist on a formal wear so as to enhance the atmosphere. Here the restaurant topic is completed. Thank you.